Welcome back, my beautiful subscribers to Ovamper. Just make sure you tap on the daily cipher right up here. Make sure it's on this color. And now let's get onto it right now so that you see how you can claim your 1 million every day. When you open this Hamster Kombat, you want to get to daily cipher. Just make sure that it's like this particular one. Now, because the poll for today is poll, P-O-O-L. So for this letter P, that is short, long, short, you have to be fast about it. Just make sure that when it's short, you simply tap like this, and when it's long, you hold it a bit and release it. So let's do it. Letter P is short, long, short. Short, long, short. You see the letter P is there. It's very easy. Now letter O is long. So let's do it. Long. You see, if you get any interruption or you make a mistake, you start afresh. Short, long, short. Now we've got letter P. Now letter O, long. So let's do it. Long. You see how I don't waste time before I put the finger again. Now the next letter O is long. So let's do it. Long. Now remember that if you make a mistake, you'll have to start afresh. Now the last one, letter L, is short, long, short. Now short, long, short. Now you see it, right? Now you take your prize, and that's it. So you've gotten your reward for today. So do well to like and subscribe, comment below and share this.